Hi guys, TJ here. So I thought I'd do a very quick video for you, and I want to title this video how to make money from properties that you do not own. Absolutely crazy. I know in some people's mind you're going to say, oh God, how does this work? Of course, you have to buy a property, you have to own a property. No, that's a very, very old school way of thinking. There are a number of strategies, and I'm going to go through just two of them on how you can make money from properties that you have not even had to purchase. Now, I know it sounds a bit kind of crazy, but you have to follow me on this. One of the strategies is something called the BPS, which is the borrowed property strategy, where you take a property from someone, you either borrow it for a long time, so it could be for 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 5 years, and you re-rent it out using two strategies. So the first strategy could be rent to SA. So it means you take on someone's property, you manage someone's property, you lease someone's property, you borrow someone's property, and with their permission, you re-rent it out to 4 different types of people. So number 1, corporates. Number 2, groups. Number 3, leisure. Number 4, corporates. So that's what you do in a nutshell. And you make money per night by renting it to those 4 different types of people. Really simple. The second strategy, again, really simple. Now, I didn't say easy, but simple once you follow the system. You find a property deal. So you speak to a landlord, an agent, or a developer. You negotiate on that property deal, and you package it and put it all together, and you sell on that deal to an investor who wants to start strategy number 1. So strategy number 1, remember, is rent to serviced accommodation, rent to SA. Now, strategy number 2 is you find the deals, or find the properties, or find the landlords that are willing to give people their properties so that they can run the rent to serviced accommodation. Strategy number 2, follow me, is you then find those properties and you sell it to the person who's going to do strategy number 1, because they might not be able to find the property deals themselves. That's how you make money from other people's assets. That's how you make money without having to put down lots of money in property. It's you can borrow, rent, manage, lease someone else's asset and make money per night and pay them their rent and keep the difference, which could be 200, 300, 500, in some cases £1,000 per month from a property that you do not own. Is it working? Absolutely. Are hundreds of people making money from this? Absolutely. In fact, are thousands of people doing this? Of course they are. The second strategy, as I said, not everyone does this, but I call it the combo package. If you're doing serviced accommodation, then why the heck are you not doing deal packaging? Because as you're growing your serviced accommodation business, you're going to be coming across deals, and you might not want those deals. Those deals might not be in your gold mine area. They might not be in your location. They might not be suitable for you for whatever reason. You package these deals and you sell it on to somebody else who sees the gold in that deal. You absolutely need to get smart with how you are making money from property. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.